Hey guys, what are you doing? Come here. Can I have the toy? Good boy, Dex. Can you drop it? Can you drop it? Dexter, drop it. Uh-oh. Here comes Rose. Can you drop it? Got it. Alright. Okay, wait. I'm gonna throw it for both of you. Wait, Dexter. Dexter! Okay, you ready? Rosie, you ready? Rosie, ready? Good girl. Come on, Rosie, bring it back. While the two of them are occupied, I'm gonna grab the toy. Look what I got, guys. Dexter, look what I got. Dexter. Dex, come here, babe. Look what I got. I got the toy. Oh, you don't care, do you? They're so busy with each other. Hey. You don't even care about the toy, do you? You guys are so cute. So cute.